In this video, we're going to cover viewing and printing your AR summaries. Let's begin by a definition of accounts receivables. Accounts receivables are dollars due from customers. They are tallied by invoices and arise as a result of the operating cycle's process of selling inventory or services on terms that allow delivery prior to the collection of cash. Inventory is sold and shipped. An invoice is sent to the customer and later cash is collected. The seller gives the customer delivery of goods or services prior to receiving the cash payment. The receivable exists for the time period between the selling of the inventory and the receipt of the cash. The terms must be clearly stated. In order to have accurate ARs, our payment terms have to be set up correctly. And furthermore, we have to verify that our customers are set up with the appropriate payment term that applies to them. To locate the setup for payment terms, we're going to go into Setup, Accounting Setup, and Payment Terms in Control. So, going into Control, we're going to click on Setup, Accounting Setup, and Payment Terms. We're not going to spend a lot of time on payment terms in this video, as that's covered in another video, but just wanted to point out that in the setup currently in this control system, we have 3 payment terms set up: the cash customer, a net 15, and a net 30. The account receivable reports in Control are located under the menu item Reports, Customers and Receivables, AR Reports. Let's take a look. Alright, so if we come up to Reports, Customers and Receivables, AR Reports, you can see that we have a number of AR reports available to us. We're going to be primarily looking at the AR summary, but we'll also look at the AR detail and show you the main differences between the two. Okay, so let's select the AR summary, and as Ceres begins to generate the report, we can choose to print it by hitting the print button here, or we can look at the report by selecting Preview. I am going to view this report full screen and enlarge it a bit for the sake of this video so that we can see exactly what is on the report. Starting from the left, the report is going to list all of the companies that we have in the system currently that owe your company money for orders that have been delivered. The account contact is listed. Any credit balances available to that customer will also be listed in the next column. Scrolling over to the right, we have the WIP built column here. Currently it is 0. You have the option on the report to show orders that are in WIP built as part of your AR summary. That option currently is turned off. It will show you the orders for your customers that are current, that are out 0 through 30, 31 through 60, 61 through 90, and 90 plus. And then over here it will give you the total balances due with a subtotal of all totals listed here. When you see an amount with a number in between parentheses behind it, it just means that that particular customer, for example, in this case, this particular customer has 4 orders current totaling $13,258.07. Okay, let's take a look at the AR detail for a moment. Going into Reports, Customers and Receivables, AR Reports, AR Detail. This report will contain the same numbers as the AR summary. The only difference is that it will break it down on an order level. So again, I'm going to view this full screen and enlarge it just a bit so that we can see what's going on. And here we can see the customer with all of the orders, the sale and due dates, the aging on it, days late, etc. These would be the orders for that company that are current 0 through 30, 31 through 60, 61 through 90, 90 plus, and so forth. The total, of course, here will always match the total of your AR summary. Print either one of these reports, we would pull the report back up, You can choose at this point to print it directly from the system before previewing it, or you can select to preview it, and after you've seen it, print it with this button here on the action menu to the right. And this concludes our video. I hope you found it